In the beginning, God reveals himself to Moses, and he explains in Exodus chapter 3 verse 14. He explains to Moses his name is Ehyeh, Ashur, Ehyeh. Now, in the olden days, before Hebrew was even a language, people in the world spoke the Ashur language. This translates to mean the language of God, Ashur. Ehyeh, Ashur, Ehyeh is the name of God, the name that's been taken away, hidden from humanity, and replaced with false names. Evil names. Evil in that they take away from the name, the true name of God. There is power in the name of God. And we have been tricked and deceived into saying I am as a self-affirmation because that is God. But I am is not God. The true name of God, which has been kept from us, is Ashur. Ehyeh is an attribute, an adjective. It's not a name. Ashur, the land of Ashur, which was the land of God. They call it Mesopotamia today. The Ninevites were the people that Jesus spoke about. They were the people of God. They were Ashurayeh, the people of God. Ashur has been taken out. They've taken the power of the name of God out of humanity and replaced it with a lie. So now it's up to us. We have to be the flowers that bloom in the garden of God. We have to be the ones who say, no, I refuse to accept these lies. I refuse to accept the generic terms of I am and the made-up names of Yahweh, Adoniah. I choose the name of God in which he stated to Moses, Ehyeh, Ashur, Ehyeh.